Good morning, students. Today we will start with the concepts of exercise 1.4, and the very first concept is Venn diagram, which is very important because you must have seen these type of diagrams in your competitive exams. So what do you mean by a Venn diagram? Venn diagram are those diagrams which depict the relationship between the sets. They represent how the sets are related. These diagrams consist of a rectangle and closed circles inside. So, where this rectangle represent the universal set and circles inside, they represent different subsets of this universal set. Clear? Means whenever we have to represent universal set, we will draw this rectangle, and inside this rectangle we will draw the circles which define the different subsets. Now the operation on subsets. There are three operations. First is you must have understanding of union of sets, second is intersection of sets, and third is difference of sets. First is union of sets. What do you mean by a union? It is clear from the name, union means to combine. Suppose A and B are two sets, then their union is represented by A union B. Means this is the symbol, A union B. This U is the symbol for union, it is read as A union B. Union consists of all elements of A and B. And in set builder form, you will write A union B X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. It is clear from the Venn diagram. See, this is the Venn diagram for the union. This is the what? This is universal set. And there are two sets, A and B. Then the union is represented by A union B. You will combine all the elements of A and B. So this red portion represents A union B. Means whatever is written in A or B, you will just combine that. Now next is intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets, suppose A and B are two sets, then their intersection is represented by their common portion between A and B, and it is written as A this, reverse U, ulta U likhoge aap, right? A intersection B. How will you read this? A intersection B. Now for Venn diagram, how you will represent it? See, this is universal set. There are two sets A and B. Then you will take the common portion of A and B. So this common portion, this is the common portion, this red region. So it is what? A intersection B. And in set builder form, X is such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X, this portion here, X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So for A intersection B, the word and is there, and for A union B, the word or is there. Now what are disjoint sets? You should have understanding of that also. Disjoint sets, it is not necessary that every time there will be some common portion between A and B. Suppose nothing is common between them, A intersection B is phi, then we say that two sets are disjoint. Now I am taking the example of union and intersection for your better understanding. Suppose this is set A, this is set B, then A union B means you will combine the elements of A and B. So 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 15. One element will be written only one time. It will not be repeated. I have told you earlier also. So A union B means you will combine the elements of, and A intersection B means you will take the common elements. What is common here? Only 2, 7. So this is A intersection B, right? Now this is 2, 7. This is the common portion between common elements of A and B. Next is properties of union and intersection. A union A is A. A intersection A, that is also A. A union phi, when you will combine A with phi, you will get A. But when you will take A intersection phi, you will get phi. intersection, in intersection there will be smaller set, na? That will be your answer. So what is smaller in this? 5. Next, A union universal set, that is what? Universal set. But A intersection universal set is again what? A. Fourth is A union B is equal to B union A, and A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. It means whether it is union or intersection, they obey the commutative property. Right? So in union you have to combine the elements, and in intersection you have to take the common elements. Union means this U and intersection means this reverse U. Right? Now next is difference of sets. What do you mean by difference of sets? Difference of sets A minus B is the set of elements which belong to A but not B. It is clear from the name, and in A minus B you will take those elements which belong to A but not belong to B. Means suppose by Venn diagram, suppose this is A, this is B, then what is A minus B? In A, if there is any portion of B, subtract that. So this is what? A minus B. A में से B का अगर कोई पोर्शन है तो उसको निकाल दो. So what is left? This is A minus B. Similarly, if I want B minus A, means B में से if A का कोई portion है, this is the portion of A ना. So leave this. So what is left? B minus A. Example is, suppose this is A, this is B, then suppose we want to find out A minus B, then A minus B is what? Subtract B from A. 2, 3 are in A na, so subtract 2, 3, what is left? 1, 4, 6. And B minus A, B में अगर A का कोई element है, see 2, 3, 5 are in A and B both, so B minus A is only 9, right? And A intersection B, common elements 2, 3, 5, and this is very important result, that A union B is what? If I combine 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Means if we combine all these three, then you will get their union. And it is clear from Venn diagram. This is what? A minus B. This is what B minus A. And this is what? A intersection B. So combining this, you will get A union B. Right? So today you have learned 3 concepts: union, intersection, and difference of sets. Tomorrow we will start with the exercise 1.4. Thank you.